Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you 3 easy and simple hijab tutorial. So let's get on to the video. First I'm gonna show you how did I wear this hijab.
You're the kind of guy I can't keep my eyes off. You're the kind of guy.
Now I'm gonna show you how did I wear this hijab.
You're the kind of guy.
Now I'm gonna show you how I wear this hijab. If you want a little volume in your hijab style, then this hijab tutorial is for you.
You're the kind of guy I can't keep my eyes off. You're the kind of guy I just can't get enough of. And I know this is crazy, but I'm crazy about you. And I know this is fast, but I gotta make it last. And I just want you to know I've never felt this way. And I just want you to see you drive me crazy. And I don't want...
This is the end of the video. I hope you really liked and enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try these hijab styles in your day-to-day life. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Ta-da!